So here we are. We haven't used the code plug on the KYDERA 880 yet, which looks to me the same as the GD88 by Radioddity. We've got our DV Mega hotspot here in the background, and we've already had a receive audio from the KYDERA. You can hear it there. And all I did was quickly just enter the details needed for my talk group 91. Now, the alarm tone's going off because I haven't turned it off, but I'll just show you how I did that. So the first thing I just took it out of the box and turned it on. Then I held down the red button here. This is out of the box, yeah? Held down the red button and it got me into VFO mode. And then I changed the frequency here just by turning this knob to the same as my hotspot here, which is 431550. That's my frequency. That's a DV Mega hotspot. Once I did that, then I held down this white button here. And this got me into digital settings. So at the top here, if I select, let's get a bit closer. If I select digital, you get options. So use the top button here. And it goes purple, and then I can change it up and down. There you go. And we left it on digital. Now there's no right and left, so you're always going up and down to change. Okay, and then we select digital by pushing that button again. Once you've done that, you can then go to the next thing, and that's just your frequency step. We didn't really need to change that. Then we've got the frequency, which it does show the frequency you've set in VFO mode. So at the moment I've come away from my hotspot because I don't want it to transmit. But anyway, so that is by default linked to whatever you've set in VFO mode. And it sets both. And so it's 431550 is what I'm going to choose. Now TX power, I'm going to put that on low. So hit select and then just go down to low. Select. I left the next one at off and off. And this is color code receive. So you hit select and then you can go up and down. I've selected 1. Then TX color code. Again, I've left that at 1. But you know, you could be 2 or 3 on many repeaters. And so again, go down, and I ignored the PATCS. In polite, ignored that. Off, encode off because we're not analog. Oh yeah, worldwide. Now I did select worldwide. I put that in as a contact. I'll show you how I did that in a minute. Let's just go to the bottom. Keep going down, and that was it. Save VFO. Click yes. Okay. Go back, and it's all there. And if I change the frequency back to my hotspot, you will, when we get a station, it will go, you'll hear it basically. Now we need to get our DMR number in there. So what we did, we went select here for menu, and we went up and down until it actually goes across until it says let's have a look now, device info, then go select. And then you want radio ID, so you select again, and look, I've got my DMR number in there. Okay, it keeps adding a 0 in front, not sure why. Even if I delete it and save it, it adds a 0. But anyway, my DMR number is 2341437. Go 37. You just type it and then OK it, and you've got the delete button here. I haven't selected receive group list. Channel contact. Now here's one I did do. I entered it, and it's selected worldwide, and it's found that because I think that's the only contact I've put in the radio. I'm going to go back and show you how I created that contact. Go back, and then version here, look, just showing what version software I've got. Which, looking at this, was put in May the 5th 2022. Is it F136.480? Lots of numbers and letters here, and this is the 8880 plus version. It does have GPS on this radio. So let's just work out how to put in the contact. Now remember, this is without using a code plug. This is just using it in the just the radio. So contact. So we went menu, and then look, you can go up and down. Look at the top, it says contacts, and when it says contacts here, press select. Like so, and look, it's found worldwide. Now let's just go back. I'll just show you me doing that again. Contact. So you've got contacts, select it, then it says contact list. Now you can go to ham contacts, contact list, new contacts, yeah? So let's just go new, like so. And then we can put a number in. Let's put in 2350. It's a common one, isn't it, for DMR? Click OK. And then we'll name it. We'll call that one chat. C. And go H. A. And then T. And then it, you know, we could put in the number as well if it's going to make it easier for us to find it. But anyway, we'll click OK for now. And the call type, down one, we want it to be group mode. So it's a group call. If it's private, it's direct to a DMR person. This is to a group, which is 2350. Set OK, and then we're going to save that. So effectively, we've got two contacts in there now. So that's how you create a contact. So anyway, just remember how to get into VFO mode. Look, it says VFO here. Hold down this button. And you're in direct, it's showing you memory channels now. Look, that's memory channels. Yeah, channel 1, channel 2. Let's go back to VFO mode. That's VFO mode. And then if you want to go up and down, see the way it says control? See the button here, the green one? Oh no, that's dim, sorry. Right, I'll show you again. So the red button, if you briefly press it, watch what happens here. The PTT goes up and down. But if you want to change the control, so you can have the PTT down here, but you can change the frequency on the top one by pressing the white button here. So now you can control the channel or VFO mode, or if you push it at the top, we can turn it back here as well. So you've got control and PTT adjustments there, which I think is really good. Right, so we're on now. Let's just turn it up. We've got a hotspot here, and if I key at the alarm, I need to just learn how to turn these alarm tones off.
Romeo 6 Alpha Kilo Oscar. Zulu Romeo 6 Alpha Kilo Oscar.
And you're getting the DMR.
This is Echo Romeo.
There you are. You're getting the DMR number coming because I haven't put in the CSV file, but I will do with the code plug. So let's see if we can talk to someone. M0FXB for an audio check. I need to turn off these tones. We've got too many tones here. So we need... But I think I've showed you how to program it on the fly. I need to turn off the tone so that when I TX... M0FXB audio check. It looks like the DTMF's turned on as well. I'll go in and turn that off. See if he heard me.
Delta Sierra 1,
No.
Fox Mike.
Okay, well I think that's fine for now. I just showed you how to program it out of the box, just a simple talk group. And it could have been an analog channel if you selected analog just by holding down the top button here. When you go into settings, look, it says digital. When you started off, you could have selected digit at the top here, push this one, and then you could have selected analog like so, and then select, and then when you went down through, you could select your tones and your different frequencies and power and everything. But right now we're just setting digital ones. Back to the top, select, and then go down one, up and down, digital. The thing to get used to, I said it earlier, is with this, you don't go right and left. You can't go right and left. You have to go up and down, even when you're moving across the menu. So you go menu, look, and we're going across. So VFO, device info. You see it moving across. It's not very obvious, is it? Record, appendix, and then it goes to here. Tone set, that's the one I think we need to sort of turn off the you know, all that annoying noise. You've got profiles, power on tone, alert tone. It's probably them that I've got to turn off. Tone is set. Anyway, it could be a different kind of sound actually. So, like I said, I've only had this radio 10 minutes. I just thought I'd get something in there, get it working. So 7.3, bye for now. Thanks for watching. Catch you on air. All the best.